What is up everyone, welcome to this ClickFunnels video. I've just moved into a new house with my girlfriend and that's all thanks to ClickFunnels, so I thought on a day like this it's a good opportunity to give something back. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you a quick overview of ClickFunnels, who it's suitable for, how to use it, and even give you guys some freebies if you stick around too. They'll all be in the links below in the description.
Okay guys, I'm just going to dive right in and keep this stupid simple. I'm not really into dragging things out unnecessarily, so all I did really to make my first 12K in 30 days was to run Facebook ads to a landing page. And essentially what I would do is I would go to a local business, and in this example I'm going to be using gyms, so like fitness niche, and I would use a Facebook ad. Let's say, I mean, all of these are pretty appropriate, but let's go with this one here. This looks pretty good. So this is an example. Obviously, I can't use the exact clients that I have, but this is for urban athletic boot camps. This is the advert. Fed up of training in the gym, lacking motivation, blah, blah, blah. Picture that's synonymous with what the message is. You click on that. You're obviously going to see this in your Facebook feed, and we'll run adverts targeted to the people in the area. So the area here will be downtown Vancouver. Click on it, and then it takes you to the ClickFunnels landing page. Now, over here, this is an example of one that's been thrown together really quick. Obviously, this is Las Vegas, but let's say the advert was Vancouver, just to show you how easy it is to use the ClickFunnels funnel builder. I'm going to change this to downtown Vancouver. It's just super like drag and drop. I won't bother going through changing everything, but here's how you would add an element. For example, if I wanted to put in another button like under here, for example, just drag, drop, increase font size, etc. You get the idea. I'm not going to take you through it step by step right now because we want to know how we made money doing this, right? So all I did was they land on this page. Let's go to preview so you see exactly what they would see and get you a free 7-day full access pass. Great. Click here. Obviously you get a little pop-up where you put in your details, and then in exchange for the details they get their free pass. So one of the main reasons that I actually use ClickFunnels is because it's just quick, right? I can throw up a landing page very fast, and I can spend more time working with the business owners and trying to figure out, what it is exactly that they want, make good deals, and obviously bring on more clients. So I can be running these for several different businesses at once. So in my first month making 12K, I was running this for like 8 different people at once. So my first month making 12K using the ClickFunnels is what I was doing was I had 8 clients where I was charging about $1,500 each, and I would be running the adverts, which they would be paying for, by the way, to these landing pages and collecting the leads for them. And obviously once they've submitted the details, this is the page that they would see, like the thank you page. I've put a phone number on here, which is an interesting little tip for you guys. Basically this just makes it a lot easier for the gym owner, because if you're getting leads for the gym owner, he has to then call them up and get them into the gym from there. But if you put the phone number on there and encourage the customer to call the gym, that just makes their job a ton easier because they have to do a lot less work on their end. And obviously, as a gym owner, you're going to be very busy and people appreciate that. But that's all it is, honestly. I'm not going to sugarcoat it or big it up into anything that it's not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this funnel in the link below so that you can just use it for free as you wish. It doesn't matter if you already have ClickFunnels or don't have ClickFunnels, by the way, because you get like a 2-week trial anyway. So you can figure it out, play around with it, see if it's something for you, and just have fun with it, guys. See if you can do the same as what I did. See if you can get a few clients on board at $1,500 or more each, and let me know how you got on. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you, and I'm happy to help people out as much as I can.